go here. And saan tayo pupunta?
Marquez, Texas.
Marquez,
Marquez.
Okay, sama yung mga dogos. Ayan oh, big ni Rocky oh. Natutuwa misis ko yan. Lapit na tayo.
Yeah, we are close. It's in here.
Ito na.
This is the gate for the main property, and then this is my
Ito yung aso niya oh. Parang equivalent ni Rocky. Ito yung boy Rocky. Si Gray daw, Jean Grey. Kumukha naman ni Terry. Gray.
Dumating yung point na we don't have.
Okay, we're here. Wow. Ano kang garden? You have a garden here. Garden.
What happened to your back, really?
Hawig talaga ng aso ko. Oh. American Staffy yan, di ba? Ito?
Ito, breed. Anong breed niyan?
Ito, oh yeah.
Half, really half combination. Taxes or whatever you need for that. But if you're like a working farm, then yes. Kasi meron ka ng account sa...
Ano to? Anong lahi niyan? Maganda yung lahi nito.
Ano tawag niyan? African...
Oo.
They're petting goats supposed to be.
Yeah, they have a goat. Meron silang deer. And then they have chickens. Pechay.
I think mustard. Green.
Mustard.
Papaya. Mamamatay ng mga
May
iba
corn
dito.
pa, no? Corn?
Oo. Corn, kamatis. Pipino. Yung 17 foot na ladder,
Aha.
abot mo pa rin yung taas.
Anong height nito?
13 yan.
13 feet?
Oo.
Mr. Cool. Dinner.
From
Pansit.
from the tindahan, bibili ka ng something.
Morning. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm here in Centerville, Texas, and my friend invited me over to check out his retirement plan. His retirement plan. So farm, but they're still not doing this full time. They're just visiting over the weekend, but they plan to retire here. This is the back side of the property, but the property extends all the way to the very far end, because the total acreage is around 50 acres. Okay, so this is a mini garden. That's corn, green vegetables, guava, I don't know what else. More corn over there. Fire pit, because before, when this house was not built yet, they were camping here, and this is where he finds some trigger time. 22 LR, 9 mil, no problem. Okay, so he built this house by his own hand. Of course, he hired some contractors for the frame and some other stuff, but most of it he just he just did it. Also this part outside, he did this by himself. Come on, let's go inside. Okay. So this is the second floor, technically not yet finished. The inside is not yet finished. He finds it difficult to insert his piece right here because somebody needs to hold it at the other end. So it took them 3 people to install just one piece, but it's already insulated, and they're using a split type AC with 2 what do you call this, inside the portions, one there and one on the side. So this is open type design, so his kids can just sleep here and guests that do sleepovers can accommodate them here. Yeah, he did the sheathings, did that. This is the bottom. Not yet finished, but doable, livable. Nice. Steel. Hi guys, we're downstairs. So the living room. Don't mind those metal things on the table. TV, AC. Hey, yeah, okay lang. Pakita ko lang. He also built this table, no? Pag gumawa ito, yeah. Wow, solid wood. Very creative. This is wood. Varnished. Open design. Buksan ko pinto, ah. So, yeah, ito lang yung nakaka-amaze yung pinto, yung the way you hid the door. So, did you see any door?
Tulak mo lang.
Yeah, did you see any door? There you go. Secret door. Nice. Washing machine and dryer. Restroom, shower, toilet. Nice. Oh. Okay.
Jing pala. Lalagay ko ng kahoy dyan, ipupush each kasi that will prevent the vibration.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay, this is the outside of the house, metal house. The other side of the house. Mr. Cool from Lowe's. One condenser, 2 internal units. Garden and more garden.
1.5 million. Yung kuryente namin, kabaon.
Ah, nakabaon.
Which I like.
It's underground.
Hindi ko ano kung just in case na tumbahan ng kahoy, ganyan. Ganyan. Ang sabi ko, binibenta niya yan, just about 150 acres.
150 acres. Wow.
We were interested to buy this one for the window. Actually, I drive this once in a while.
Uh-huh.
Pero ngayon, ang dami ng kahoy na ano, I can't come in.
Oh yeah.
Bago ito.
The lowest part
Ano, hindi na pwede.
of the property.
Ito, it's right here.
Ano yan?
Yung ulo ng, ay yung nabara na wala akong maghintay. Kasi dati yung ano mo yun, hindi pa kompleto yung
This is where animals rub their back. Okay. Kasi nag-rub.
yun namin ito dati
Ah, siya gumawa. Yeah.
Gawa ng
This is cute.
ng nanay pero parang binubugbog din ng nanay eh.
Yeah. I can smell. Amoy kambing talaga eh.
Mapanghi.
Ayan. Where's the mom? Itong white?
Ma'am niya ito yung parang
Yes,
sila
ah.
carbon copy.
Ay, kamukha niya nga. Yeah.
Mhm.
They look the same.
Gray! Come here!
Come here, boy. Come here, girl.
So ito,
Yeah.
no?
Oh.
Sabi ko sa kanya, are you okay? I mean like, I think what you're doing, makikita mo yung ano yung machine niya, para bang
Bye, Gray. We're leaving. Ay, goodbye na. Goodbye.
oh, mandaming ano niya oh.
Kasi saan kasi nagsusuot?
Ano, alam mo.
Hi guys, I'm home. Yeah, my dogs. I miss my dogs.